Hi beautiful people, thank you for tuning in. My name is Lucy and today I'm gonna harvest some of my chili peppers. You can see they are getting ready. I already harvested some and I am doing this in stages. As you can see, some of them are still green. And this is my first time actually growing them. I didn't want to grow them, but I was buying some plants and at the end when you've got the discounted price, and I was like, no, I don't need any chili peppers, no thanks. And then what happened? Yeah, of course I bought it. And I am really pleased. You can see I've got a bit of dandelion here. I'm not really stressed about it. Sometimes I pinch the leaves and use it as a fertilizer. You can see here I've got loads of comfrey. So basically I use like comfrey rinse for my hair. I use it with horsetail and sage as well. Sometimes I use it on its own, and when I do the comfrey rinse afterwards, I just put it here as a fertilizer, and obviously I think my chili plant really liked it. So what you can do with this, usually you harvest this, make sure you cut it like up here, so you've got something to hang it on. Excuse my nasty blister, I don't know what I did, and obviously I didn't wear plaster, so I made it even worse. But anyway, I've got some comfrey salve, and yeah, so I'm gonna deal with it in a bit. So you can see comfrey, it's really versatile as well. Here I already cut some, I'm not sure whether you can see it. So basically this is what left from it. I just use scissors, I cut it on the top here, and then the usually thing, you have sort of like thread and needle, and you just put it somewhere, but I don't fancy doing this. I would have to find glasses because I'm in the age you can't see, like doing thread and needle without glasses, and I try to do something different. Just watch out when you hang your chili peppers for any humidity or any moist, because it can get moldy, and this is what you don't want. You want really nice dry chili peppers, and let me see what I can think of. And this is what we've got. I'm gonna leave some on as well. And basically you should harvest them only when they are nice and ripe. And when they get a bit drier, these bits, they will create sort of like little hooks, which will be easier for hanging. And you can also play with it while harvesting, have a little fun. And I think that will do. I even use some hanger. So if you'd like to know how to reuse a breakfast cereal box, there you have it. And let me know in the comments below how and where you dry yours. Let me know some good tips, and next year I might try something else. I hope you find it useful. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe now if you haven't done so, leave me some comments, spread some love, share with your friends and family, and thank you so much for watching. Stay amazing, from my heart to your heart. Bye until next time.